My dear friend, this is your Dr. Pandit Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. This video just giving you a picture about these Marwadis. Marwadis are really good in the business. How is it possible for Jaipurians, especially Marwadis, to be very good in business, performing really a very satisfactory trading? So basically, Jaipur city is a culturally rich heritage city. It is also called a pink city. If you happen to see the palace, so a richness you can see everywhere. So I think I would like to know that what makes them possible to perform their business successfully wherever they started, whether it is a gold business or a finance business or pawnbroker or electrical, whatever they do, whatever they start, it is always success, and the failures are very marginal. What is a behind scenario? What makes them to be surviving better in their trade, in their business? So I think let us see in the video what are the factors responsible for their terrific success. What are the key factors? So that city is really a world famous city. That is why I think everybody has got the positive energy in their mind and heart. Maharaja Savani Jai Singh has built the palace. Very popular, still it is very popular. The city I think looks to be very better. And these people they never think of like say lakh or something like that. Always they'll try to earn crores and crores of money. We in India, I think most of all the states, we think of the generation of savings. So they never go for generation of saving. They will always go for a creation of capitals. It's nothing but a capital formation only, they will work for it. They will always work for the millions. Where even the person who sells buttermilk or curd or whatever it is, the whole idea is to flourish in the business successfully. That's why I think they also the business, they were very honest. So what are the factors responsible? So I'll give you 10 points which we have collected. They are the factors success fully in their trade and business activities. Number one, they are always try to be honest in their business. Number two, always they pack with money. They never just go to the bank. The second point, they never go to the bank to ask for the loan, working capital, and fixed capital, machinery capital. Never. They have their own money. They invest in the business. They don't depend on either a money lender or a banker or financial institutions or any government agencies. So they will choose a very profitable trade. Pawnbroker, they keep all the jewels and everything, documents perfect. Whether it is good electrical items, or they will have a n number of items. You will find the price is also cheaper. Even when they run maybe like a sweet stall, the sweets are good. They don't sell bad sweets. The rate is also competitive, very tastier. Even when they have dry fruits they'll get from almost all over the countries. Even sometimes also import. The price will be highly competitive. Nobody can beat the prices. Even if you go for stationery and other items, their prices are always competitive and less expensive to the consumers. The fourth point is, most of the trade, it's mostly finance based. They don't just go for production. Very hardly one or two people will go for production. Most of the people, they go for trading or financial related or pawnbroking. So there I think the chance of incurring loss will be very less. Their investment is really huge. The fifth point is fixed up. They will invest a huge amount. For example, when you just choose a building for your business or anything, then we'll spend time and again go back and think it over or something like that. They will never go for second thought. Once it's decided, that's all. They'll invest and they'll buy, whether it is a house or maybe like apartment or maybe like a shopping complex. Most of the time, they will take a shop as well as residence close together because they will keep the stock. They don't unutilize the places. So they will choose a place where I think they can also procure the stock as well as close to the proximity. Then again, the sixth point is never allow for any second decisions of buying materials or something like that. And whenever you buy the material, they'll make payment fast. They don't ask for the credit and they don't beg for credit. They'll ask for a 1 week or 10 days credit, again they'll make the payment on time. They never do the payment. Whatever the material supply, 1 week or 3 days or 4 days, whatever is mutually agreed upon, they will make payment, spot payments. And working capital, they're never short. Even suppose if a person doesn't supply, they will go to any manufacturer or maybe like a distributor or wholesalers, whoever. And when the stock is also, they'll always try to keep a very huge inventory stock. They don't have any deficit stock. Even if the stock is not available, they'll try to arrange to deliver the material, buying from other sources somewhere others. They will not ask the customer return from their shops. Turnover, no, they will ensure that the turnover is really very thick turnover, not like a thin turnovers. So that the volume is very big. So they will keep a very small margin, and then they earn very huge money. See, there are 10 factors. That is, first of all, the honesty, and again, come with the packed money, never wait for the loans, and choose a profitable business, mostly trade based, and never allow for a second thought, and decision is very fast, and huge working capital, huge inventory, and turnover is also volume wise very big. And finally, and lastly, but not the least, they will always try to satisfy the customers. They will always be caring of the customers. Even if a material is not available, even if the fund is not available, they will arrange material delivered and fast. Even if it's just to go to any electrical shop or a sweet stall or maybe like that's the dry fruits, even if it's not available, they will make a very quick arrangement to get them delivered to their customers. And in general, universally, their price is always comparatively cheaper than the market price because they try to keep small margin and large turnover. See, these are the key success. These are the key factors because business people have to learn from them. That is Marwadi, and these people who have been coming from Jaipur with the name of Marwadi, they always try to be a success winners, and always their mind is working for the win-to-win situation between the buyer and the seller, as well as buyer and the suppliers. So everywhere, they'll keep, they don't argue, they don't have unnecessary fighting with their suppliers or the people who are supplying the goods from the manufacturing side. Everywhere they will keep a warm relationship, including customers. So these are the factors for for the Marwadis to survey the business successfully. Whether it is, you can count any cities. Any cities, and the Marwadi is sitting with a pawnbroker, very honest. Rate of interest is honest, and document is also genuine, and they will also give the notice when the money to be returned or something like that. Prior notice will also be given, and normally we don't see that. There is a fight between money lender. I mean, especially Marwadis and buyers. There is a fighting between money lenders and buyers, and there is a fighting between supplier and receiver, like shopkeepers or maybe like the resident, retailers. Here, these people, I think people who would have not seen that kind of disharmony or imbalance situations or, fighting between one to another. They don't allow the situations. And moreover, wherever they go, I think, they'll have a form of people. Maybe they are always minimum numbers. Say about, when you go to the 5 lakh or 10 lakh, 1 crore city populations, their population will be hardly about within 5%. So they'll try to manage the people very amicably and see that everybody is moving with very friendliness, so making the people satisfied. So such a way, I think, they are also making their energy very happy. They are positive energy. They make others happy. They are also happy. Even if you go to go to the functions and celebrations, I know they'll make all their friends and all of their neighbors, everybody make the people very, very happy. So even they are spending huge money for maybe like a puja, function, celebrations. Such a way, I think, they keep their life very healthy and keep their things very happier. But on top of everything, these people are the pioneer in trading, business, and entrepreneurism. So they are the example, and they will always prove that they are the winners. They are the winners. So that I think we'll have to learn from them that what are the key, because apart from money, they also have a multiple role to play. So with all role, they are ruling the business and ruling the community and ruling the markets. So that's a lesson I think we'll have to learn from them. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and subscribes are quite welcome, so that I think I'll always be motivated to upload more useful videos to the audience. Thank you very much.